Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting topic to delve into. Prepositions in English grammar. Prepositions may seem small, but they play a significant role in sentence structure and meaning. In this video, we will explore different types of prepositions. Let's get started. Now let's understand what prepositions are. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between nouns, pronouns, and the other words in a sentence. Preposition helps us describe location, time, and direction. Prepositions are often followed by a noun or pronoun, creating what we call a prepositional phrase. Let's understand them thoroughly. Prepositions of location describe the position or placement of an object or person in relation to something else. They help us understand where something is located. Common prepositions of locations include on, in, at, under, beside, next to, above, and below. Here are some examples. The cat is sitting on the mat. The restaurant is next to the park. The book is under the bed. The car is parked in front of the house. The school is across the street. These prepositions indicate the special relationship between objects or people, helping us identify their position in space. Prepositions of time describe when an action or event takes place. They help us understand the timing or duration of an activity. Common prepositions of time include at, in, on, during, before, after, since, for, etc. Here are a few examples. The meeting is at 9 am. They usually have dinner during the evening. We will go on vacation in July. She always wakes up before sunrise. They celebrate New Year's Eve at midnight. These prepositions give us information about specific points in time, durations, or time frames associated with an action or an event. Prepositions of direction describe the movement or direction of someone or something. They help us understand the path or route taken. Common prepositions of direction include towards, to, into, through, across, over, along, around, etc. Here are a few examples. She walked towards the beach. The aeroplane flew over the mountains. They went through the tunnel. The bus is heading north. He turned left at the intersection. These prepositions give us information about the movement, path, or direction of a person or an object. Congratulations! You have taken a significant step towards mastering prepositions in English grammar. Now it's time for a little challenge. I encourage you to solve this worksheet and share your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned on the screen. We would love to hear from you and provide feedback on your progress. Don't be shy. It's a great opportunity to learn and grow together. That's all about prepositions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using prepositions in your everyday conversations and writing to solidify your understanding. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!